Did you think parrots were the first talking birds? No, not the parrot. Long before parrots became famous mimics, ancient people in India and Southeast Asia already kept mynas as pets. Amazed by how clearly they could copy human speech, the mynas have been known for talking thousands of years ago. Unlike most birds, mynas can mimic not just words, but tone, pitch, and even laughter.
Hello, Battle. My name's Daisy. What's your name? Would you like a cup of tea? Quack, quack, quack. Do you like that? Do you like that? Pretty fine.
These ancient birds don't just copy words, they copy emotion. Some hill mynas can learn over 100 words and sound almost too human.
Sweetie, 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 bye.
So next time you hear a bird talk, it might not be a parrot showing off. It could be a myna reclaiming its crown as the first true talking bird.
你好。
恭喜发财。
Love content like this? Or just a curious mind that then don't scroll past? Hit like, subscribe, and join us for more mind-twisting discoveries.